All right, guys, so I've been trying to wait and do this. So in my 16 and prior RAM Cummins, the wait to start, if you will, the grid heater, now the actual glow plugs, like every other truck, been waiting to see if I could get the 26 to do it. So in my 16, what I would do is I'd get in and I would click the button once, foot off the brake, and I would see that wait to start. If you got in, put your foot on the brake and hit the start button, typically it would just almost churn right over and try and start. Well, this new RAM does the same thing. You remote start it, you use the app to start it. I don't know if there's any delay in it, but finally we did today. It's like 10 out here, and I don't know if we'll do it again just now, but I came in here, foot off the brake. I'm just gonna click this once. We see the wait to start. It doesn't take long, but you can see it's actually doing a warm-up process. Now, it used to say down here that, you know, there was a wait to start. When I did my 16, it would actually count down to where it was finally ready to start. Now, interesting enough, I just shut this off again and I go ahead and put my foot on the brake and hop in here. It just churns. And you can see that the glow plug light stays on for a second. So if you're in cold weather and you're concerned of that cold starting, yeah, we hope that the process is working the way it's supposed to with the remote start and stuff. But we can see right there that foot on the brake, it's firing up with that glow plug light on and that grid heater one on there. So if you're even in colder temperatures and you're gonna go out to your trucks here, 7 degrees, that it may behoove you to go out and actually do this wait to start process. I don't see a countdown. I don't know if it's not cold enough. I mean, the truck's already been ran this morning, but it's just one of those nuances that I would say the manual says get in and push the button and start it. That's it. Me personally, on a super cold day, can't hurt, because when this thing is cold and I remote start it, you can hear it kind of chugging when it's trying to start. It goes right into a start process, like chugga 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 chugga, well, fires up. This, on the other hand, doing that just now. So it is there. Give it a shot. Make sure you subscribe, guys. Catch you on the next one.